everyone, my name is Swati and HR Administ is there to help you guys with all your HR concerns. That's why today I am here for my HR members with another challenging process, that is how to assign job to a new employee, or in bookish language you can say the job allocation process of new hires. So this video will help you get an understanding of topics like how does this process works, what are the basic factors you should consider to follow this process, few tips to make your process and achieve it. So please watch this video till end and don't forget to share and like the video if you find the content of this video useful for your organization. And if you're new to the channel, then please click on subscribe button as well to get connected with HR Administ. Most importantly, I want to specify here that this video will not give you the bookish explanation about the process. Instead, it is more towards the practical aspects to make the process more clear for you. Placement of a new hire seems to be very simple from outside. That starts from opening vacancy, candidate selection, candidate joining, orientation process, and then the final allocation of job. But in reality, it is not easy due to the changes in work ethics. And because of such factors only, the organizations are forced to analyze the placement process closely, be it for a new employee or for an existing employee. Here I need to clarify that job allocation is categorized into two parts. First is the initial assignment of new employee, and second is the assignment of existing employees like promotion, transfer, demotion or reassignment. So this video will specifically focus on the first category only, that is the job allocation of new hire. Let us start with the first part of our video, that is how does this process works. There is a well-known fact that every organization has many jobs, but each individual has only one career to perform his or her specialized field. And due to these factors, the orientation and training programs are designed where the final filtration is applied among the selected candidates and only the qualified ones are given the job allocation. Now let us understand this with the help of an example, that if an individual fails to meet a minimum expectation within the training or the probation period, then he or she will be considered for other available jobs as per the capability or will be asked to leave then and there itself. Thus, for the managerial perspective, job allocation is the responsibility to understand and capitalize on each employee's capability to perform the given task. If the number of individuals are more than the available jobs, then only the qualified ones are given the final chance. Whereas, if more jobs are available, then optimal placements can be possible. Therefore, we can say that the placement or the job allocation process of any company can be defined on the basis of two factors. First one, the number of jobs available. Second one, the number of individuals available to perform that job. Now comes the second part of our video, that is how to assign work to new hires. So there are basically 7 steps you should consider to follow this process. First, consider the priority of the projects available for a new hire. Second, dedicate the project to a new hire depending upon his or her skill sets analyzed during the training period. Third, set direction for all team members to which the new hire is assigned. Fourth, direct and indirect monitoring of tasks given to new hire. Fifth, always be available or assign a mentor for the support required. Sixth, recognize and appreciate the hard work and efforts. And last, recognize and suggest the improvement areas. Lastly, the third part of our video, that is tips and tricks to make this process an achievement. The best and effective criteria is that you should allocate best available person instead of first available, as this can enable uniform distribution of skilled resources. Next, you should always avoid under or over allocation of resources, as it can directly affect the business efficiency. You can prefer to have an automated resource allocation process request, as it can eliminate any process-related confusion. Lastly, you can diversify your employee skill set and responsibilities, because employees can work more on their capabilities. Thus, by concluding this video, I would say that work allocation is an important aspect of project management, as it can directly affect the project planning and implementation and also the goals associated with that project. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and if this video helped you to understand the concept of job allocation, then please like and share the video. And also if you are looking for some specific content under this topic, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer your queries.